Imagine a situation where your professional reputation, built over years in sports or entertainment, is suddenly questioned by something someone said or wrote. It is a frightening thought, and understanding your legal protections in such a scenario is incredibly important. The core difference between actual malice and negligence lies in the defendant's state of mind when making a defamatory statement. Negligence involves carelessness or a failure to act with reasonable care, while actual malice requires knowing the statement was false or acting with reckless disregard for its truth or falsity. The reason for these distinct standards is deeply rooted in protecting free speech, especially concerning public figures. To prove defamation, a private individual usually only needs to show negligence. This means the person who made the false statement failed to exercise reasonable care in determining its truth. However, for public figures, the bar is raised significantly. They must prove actual malice. This higher standard makes it harder for public figures to win defamation lawsuits, ensuring that the media and the public can freely discuss issues of public concern without constant fear of litigation. For those in the sports and entertainment industry, this distinction has major practical implications. If you are considered a public figure, like a famous athlete or actor, you face a much higher burden of proof to win a defamation case. You must gather clear and convincing evidence that the defamer either knew the information was false or acted with a profound indifference to its veracity. This often involves looking into their sources and their investigative process. This crucial distinction was solidified in the landmark 1960 for Supreme Court case, New York Times versus Sullivan. The ruling established the actual malice standard for defamation claims brought by public officials, later extended to public figures. It emphasized that robust debate on public issues requires a degree of protection for even false statements, unless they are made with malicious intent. Grasping the difference between actual malice and negligence is vital for protecting your professional standing. It helps you understand the legal landscape for defamation and anticipate the challenges in pursuing or defending a claim. Knowing these standards empowers you to safeguard your career and reputation more effectively in a public-facing industry.